Welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Barun, and in today's video, we will look into our Salesforce configuration. To start, once the Salesforce account has been integrated with your OnceHub account, you have an option where we can select whether to create a lead in Salesforce or a contact in Salesforce for the new contacts that are created in OnceHub. When creating a lead in Salesforce, we have an option where we can create a Salesforce event for the new meetings that are scheduled. And when creating a Salesforce contact, we do have the option where we can create a new Salesforce event, or we can create a new Salesforce case, or we can create both of them, and we can also opt to create just a Salesforce contact or just a Salesforce lead without a Salesforce event or a Salesforce case. While creating a Salesforce contact and creating a Salesforce case, we do have an option where we can select which booking calendars to create a Salesforce case for. We have all booking calendars where all meetings scheduled will be creating our Salesforce case. Then we can go ahead and select specific booking calendars where only for those booking calendars, our Salesforce case will be created. Now, this gives us flexibility where we can select specific booking calendars for specific users, specific meeting types to create our Salesforce case. Let's look into our mapping functionalities. Now, the mapping functionalities for all the Salesforce objects, that is contact, leads, events, and cases, can be accessed through the same page here. And we can see that we have the default contacts like the first name, last name, email, all mapped to the Salesforce contact fields. Similarly, we have the OnceHub contact fields here and the Salesforce contact fields on the other side. We do have an option where custom OnceHub contact fields can be mapped to the custom Salesforce fields as well. And we can click on Add Mapping here to add a new field where a custom field or the relevant OnceHub fields that you want to go ahead and select. You can just add them and then map them to the relevant Salesforce field. Then we have the override option. This lets you decide what or how to handle the existing data. For example, when the overrides are on, new data will override any existing data in Salesforce. And when it is off, only the empty Salesforce fields will be populated with the data sent from OnceHub. Now, that goes for both, or that goes for all leads, events, and cases. We have the default order required information to create an event, the leads, and the cases already mapped. And then we have the add mapping option where we can select which other fields or which other OnceHub fields we want to map to the Salesforce fields. And that's it. Basically, that's how our Salesforce integration works. And thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.